Just below the curves of the Maryhill Loops Road lies another of Sam Hill's experiments, a forgotten dam built to bring water to the desert. Hill envisioned a Quaker farming community here, where hard work and innovation would tame the wild hills of the Columbia Gorge. He built this dam in 1909 to catch spring water, a simple irrigation dream meant to feed a grand idea. For a short while, water flowed, crops sprouted, and hopes ran high, but the desert winds dried it faster than it filled. The soil was poor, the rain scarce, and Hill's vision soon crumbled, like the dam itself. By 1917, the project was abandoned. The concrete was left to weather a century of wind and sun. Today, it's hard to imagine the noise of construction that once echoed through this quiet canyon. But the marks of human ambition remain, the lines, the edges, the stubborn hope that refuses to fade. Above, the Maryhill Loops Road still winds across the hillside, a reminder that success and failure can share the same horizon. A century later, this place still whispers the story of Sam Hill's forgotten dream. The road endures, the dam does not, but both speak of a man who dared to build where others would not. This is the story of the Maryhill Dam, the dam that failed. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell.